Traders, Zellman here. It's October 26th. It's a Friday. It's after the market closed. I'm going to provide a trading report on this trading tutorial for three symbols. The first one is obviously GIFX, GIFA Inc., previously known as FRFS. They did a ticker symbol change and she exploded. I'm also going to do a report on HEME, HEME. She did well at the close. And obviously BFCH, I've been watching her as well, looking to cancel over 12 billion shares. They have a lot of things going for them. So let's first start with GIFX, GIFA Inc. Today, what a move. I mean, we've been waiting for a while. You guys see me posting tweets, and especially a lot more now throughout the last couple of days with what was going on. But we've been watching her for quite a while. We have a great trading group in general, and there's certain people that see similar things as myself and other traders. And it's interesting that most of us are in similar positions, and there's an effect of successful traders who actually are coming together and see similar things and get into these positions. Now, obviously, we do clash. Traders do clash on some trades, or disagree on some trades. But when you have these traders in the same trades, and they're also posting about it on Twitter, and these specific traders that are in these trades are in other trades that you're in, that's more power. The community of penny stock traders understand what they're looking at. And for example, GIFA is one of the examples that I'm talking about right now. There's a lot of people who got in this position because of myself and other traders, and now they're in the green. It's at a quarter. It's just amazing how we can help change people's lives that haven't been in, a stock of this magnitude. GIFA, this is a possible life changer. No arguments there. But, it's the ones who actually took opinions of people like myself, other Twitter people. I can't, I want to say 24/7, don't know exact names. Frank the Bank, Olivia, Clint, there's so many, Shapper, Keith, there's so many, but there's, I forgot his name, Shark, there's just so many people that understand how the penny stock land works, and we look for key things. And individuals who got in on the research and the analysis, that all these traders came together and noticed it, and everybody's providing feedback of a particular stock, of this stock, but different information. For example, stop loss at Richard McCarty on Twitter provided those press releases when they came out. I believe it was yesterday evening. He provided that information. He was on top of his game, and he would release it to everybody in the group. Now, I'm not saying it was only him. There's a lot of people out there in this community. Now, what we could, before I go ahead of myself of people that work together in the penny stock world. Now, what we could expect on GIFA, and we'll continue that conversation, what we could expect on GIFA is that two things that's going to come out if there's no news on Monday going further with this GIFA Holding takeover, right? GIFA Inc. is a separate entity than GIFA Holding, but GIFA Inc. is taking over GIFA Holding. Same owners, same management, just different companies. They're just taking over GIFA Holdings. That's what they are planning, okay? And then the financials of GIFA Holdings, if all the information, all the research, all myself and all these traders have done, that's where the big bucks is, if everything holds true. Now, what we could see coming Monday, if there's no news out, there's two possible scenarios. She either explodes and continues going higher, or she will do a dip, okay? So if she does a dip, don't panic. It's not like, oh, I'm gay, because remember, once all the information that we believe is going to be released, something spectacular could happen. Obviously, it's happening right now, but, sit on your hands. So if she does dip, look at it as a buying opportunity, okay? For I know there's some traders and some people who's in this position sold some shares because they're taking profits. Listen, and they did it smart. They didn't sell out huge blocks of 200K lots at a time. They're selling 10K lots. You saw how level 2 was thin. It's very rare that you saw a huge block sell order. I don't think I didn't see any sell orders of 100K or more for the last few days. I probably saw 30K, maybe 40K, but nothing serious like we saw them when they were trading under 10 cents, like, when they're in like the 5-6 range, right? So you can see that the float is getting locked. And as time progresses, there could be a panic coming in Monday, traders sell out. Then there's people who's going to buy back at these lower prices because they missed the opportunity when it was at 6 cents, 7 cents. So they will buy back. There's nothing to worry about. You just need to sit on your hands. Now, if she does go higher, we can see something spectacular. But remember, this movement is being based only on technicals right now with the press release. Yes, they're giving us update, but the financials are the key thing. We want the financials. Once the financials come out, it's a whole different ballgame. If it is, well, all the traders that have been researching on her, if that, majority of it holds true, then boom, life changer, penny wealth. And this is what I mean by the trading language. If you don't understand it, you should take a live trading course with myself. My first course is in January. But now let me go into HealthMed and explain why I like HealthMed. And I liked her for quite a while. With the marijuana industry booming right now, this is on the municipal level. It's just there's a huge magnitude of an explosion that may happen. I'm in it. I've been in it, and I even paid. I'm not gonna lie to you. The first entry point was a penny. Chasing, and I don't like chasing. Everybody who knows me, I don't like chasing. But I saw the float and information about it and what it was about. So I went in with a small amount of shares. Then obviously I was buying back at these levels, and at low levels, not at highs. But after my learned my lesson from jumping in too soon, like lots of traders. But you learn from your mistakes. You don't do that. But it's a good thing it wasn't heavy. It was just a small amount. I just wanted to get an in-case scenario if she was going to explode higher. But she went down, and it gave me more opportunities to buy at lower prices. Excuse me. Now, the reason why I'm talking about HealthMed, HEME, because similar people that are in GIFA GIFX are in HealthMed, HEME. And like I said, when you have the same concept of penny stock traders, I'm more on the technical level. Then we have other people that are more on fundamentals. Other people are looking for research. Other people are trying to capture as much data as possible. But the interesting thing is, it's pretty much the same people who find these stocks. Now, that tells me the same group of people that are in the same positions know what they're doing as traders. Now, don't get me wrong. We have a lot of followers on Twitter. Myself, Shark Stock, Frank D. Bank, Stop Loss, Olivia. I could continue going on. With about a bunch of different traders, and I could and there's also traders that haven't been in GIFA. Doesn't mean they're terrible. I have a bunch of them that show me stocks every day. Ken is a perfect example that does great things. Okay, so just because they didn't get in this, or Ken was in this. He saw that. I think he got back. But just because they were in the GIFA boom and found it when we found it, doesn't mean they're bad traders. There's millions of stocks out there to find, right? You can't be in every one of them. I mean, and I'm pretty sure you don't want to be in every one of them because you have to find certain ones. And this is what I mean by the trading language. If you could understand the language, you could find them. And HealthMed's a perfect example. What she did today gave her support at the end, the technical level. And let me show you as far as what she looks like. So what I'm going to do is get out the lines. And remember, if you was watching my tutorials on HealthMed prior to this tutorial, you would see that there's this triangle pattern she's been waiting to break, and she has broken it, right? So I'm just showing you what we're looking at right now. So she broke through this downtrend, right? This was triangle pattern, and she was trading sideways. But what she did by the close today, you got a little small reversal and possible breakout coming into play. Now, she could continue trading sideways. I hope she explodes coming in next week. But she could continue trading sideways. But as long as she trades above this support level and above this downtrend, we're okay. Remember, when she gets to the point where X meets the mark, right here, and she's above it, she should head higher. She can continue going higher because it doesn't have to be exactly where the X meets the mark. It could be a couple of days before, a couple of days after. This chart is on a daily basis, meaning every candle you see here represents one day. Okay, now let me just show you what the weekly basis looks like. So the weekly basis, look at this solid support bottom right here, right? You see that? That's what I'm looking at. I really like, you look at the MAC histogram, you see it's negative. Look at this green bar right here, showing that, yes, it's in selling pressure, but, but look at the support level. Really, she been balancing out while the MAC went negative, and she's resetting right now, right? So she's resetting, she gets at negative, gets to positive. If she breaks through here, oh my God. But just if she gets to positive, we could see her hit an all-time high. Especially if she continues trading positive on the MAC histogram, higher ups, like similar to this. Okay, so we'll see what happens with HealthMed, but similar people in HealthMed was in GIFA in the beginning time. Okay, so that's something to look at and consider. Now, remember, these are my opinions, and I educate people on the trading language. My live trading course starts in January of 2019. Feel free to review my posts on Twitter and see who I retweet. Also look at my followers and you'll see similarities. It's very interesting how a group of traders are in different parts of the world or different parts of the country, and they see the same thing with different stocks, and they're in position as well. Now, the final thing I'm going to talk about, final stock, is BFCH. Now, this stock, currently, none of the people that are in GIFA or HealthMed is in Bitfrontier Capital Holding, as of yet, that I know of. Okay, maybe they're secretly, quietly loading up. I believe I am the only individual in this stock, and you know what? I don't care, because I see what I see. I believe in the trading language. I know what to expect. Some people may disagree with me. That's fine. I know what I see, and I'm going with it. Okay? Now, will some of them end up joining me and follow me? Maybe. But if not, I'm not really offended. I know what the opportunity has with canceling 12+ billion shares in the future. I know, they're going to start being able to create a revenue stream prior to the new year. So Bitcoin looked like she stabilized at this level, and this is a mining company as well. So there's, this is something that I'm in, that the same people that traded or still in GIFA, excuse me, and traded into HealthMed aren't in BFCH. But you know what? Maybe that could change, maybe not. But these are the three stocks that I've been watching for quite a while. I watch a lot of stocks, but these are the three stocks because those three stocks were more position trades for me than swing trades. My apologies. So all three stocks are more position trades. And position trade is something, I want to say like a buy and hold, but not in an investing situation. Sometimes it takes that long. GIF is a perfect example, since November. But look at it now. You're talking about from 2 cents to a quarter, right? So these are position trades. And if you want to learn more on how to trade penny stocks, I have a live trading course in January. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. Go to a live trading course section and click on the penny stocks trading program. It's 50% off. Once again, my name is Zelman. You can follow me on Twitter @tradingteacher. And hopefully you guys are in similar positions as me. If not, as long as you guys are making money, that's great. My phone is blowing up now and I gotta go. Take care.